Your windows play a bigger role in your home's comfort and efficiency than you may realize. In a climate like Clinton Township, where cold winters and warm summers can push your HVAC system to its limits, outdated or damaged windows can quietly drain your energy budget and impact your home's value. If you've been wondering whether it's time to upgrade, here are the top signs your Clinton Township home needs replacement windows now. Your energy bills keep climbing. One of the clearest indicators that your windows are no longer performing is a steady rise in heating and cooling costs. Drafty frames, failing seals, and single-pane glass allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor temperatures to creep in. If your bills have gone up even though your usage hasn't, your windows may be the culprit. Modern energy-efficient replacement windows can significantly reduce heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer, helping you regain control of your monthly expenses. You feel drafts or notice temperature swings walk past your windows. Do you feel a chilly breeze in winter or pockets of warm air in the summer? If so, you may be dealing with air leaks or poor insulation. Drafts force your furnace or AC to work harder, which leads to extra wear on your HVAC equipment and higher utility bills. Replacement windows provide tight seals and advanced insulation to keep your interior temperature consistent throughout the year. Your windows are hard to open, close, or lock. Windows that stick, slide unevenly, or refuse to lock are more than an annoyance. They can pose a safety risk. Warped frames, rusted hardware, and swollen wood can compromise the window's structure, making it difficult to operate and insecure during storms or emergency situations. New windows open and close smoothly, provide strong locking mechanisms, and restore peace of mind for your family's safety. There's condensation between the window panes. Moisture trapped between double or triple pane glass is a red flag that the window's seal has failed. Once this seal breaks, the insulating gas between the panes escapes, allowing moisture to enter and dramatically reducing the window's energy efficiency. You'll often see fogging, haze, or water droplets that can't be wiped away. The only long-term fix is a full window replacement. Outside noise seems louder than before. Older windows do very little to block sound. If traffic, construction, or neighborhood noise is becoming more noticeable inside your home, your windows may be losing their insulating ability. Modern replacement windows are engineered with improved glazing technology that helps reduce outside noise, making your indoor environment more peaceful and relaxing. Your home looks outdated or worn down. Curb appeal matters, both for your enjoyment and your property value. Peeling paint, rotting frames, cloudy glass, or mismatched windows can make your home look aged and neglected. Replacement windows instantly refresh your home's appearance with clean lines, modern styles, and custom colors that complement your architecture. Many Clinton Township homeowners see a boost in resale value and overall home attractiveness after upgrading. You can feel the sun fading your furniture. If your flooring, furniture, or curtains show signs of sun fading, your current windows may lack UV protection. Today's energy-efficient windows come with advanced coatings that help block harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light into your home. This protects your interiors and makes your living spaces more comfortable. Upgrade your Clinton Township home with confidence. If you recognize any of these signs, there's a good chance your windows are no longer providing the comfort, efficiency, or security your home deserves. Replacing them now can help lower energy bills, improve indoor comfort, enhance safety, and increase your home's value. A professional window assessment can confirm your needs and guide you toward the best styles and materials for your Clinton Township home. Upgrading your windows is one of the smartest, most rewarding improvements you can make, especially when the signs are already telling you it's time.